Trying to give your precious plants a good drink, but your watering can is more foe than friend. It's heavy, awkward, and the spout, but with so many options out there, from vintage charmers to ergonomic marvels. How do you choose the best watering can for your outdoor oasis? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of watering cans. We'll be comparing different styles, sizes, and features to help you find the perfect match for your leafy loved ones. So grab your metaphorical gardening gloves, folks, and let's get ready to sprinkle some knowledge. Number 1. Chapin International 47998 Plastic Watering Can. This nozzle produces a precise, even shower stream, so you can water your plants without wasting water or getting them too wet. The 2-gallon tank means you can water a lot of plants before having to refill. This watering can is made from durable plastic that can withstand even harsh chemicals and weather conditions. The 2-piece nozzle is easy to disassemble and clean, so you can keep it free of clogs and debris. Number 2. gegemaoyi Good Outdoor Watering Can. This watering can is made from durable shatterproof polymer. This watering can have a 1-gallon capacity, which is perfect for small indoor plants and outdoor plants. It has a detachable and convertible nozzle. This nozzle can be easily removed and switched between a watering can and a shower head. This makes it perfect for watering both hanging and wall-mounted plants. Number 3. junyimaoyi Outdoor Plants Watering Can. The junyimaoyi watering can is built to last with solid shatterproof polymers. Its sturdy, thick walls can handle a high water capacity, making it perfect for your garden or lawn. One feature that sets this watering can apart is the detachable convertible nozzle. With this nozzle, you can control the water flow delicately and precisely, ensuring every plant gets the right amount of hydration. It's a versatile addition that not only does its job, but looks good while doing it. Number 4. Cado 63065 Outdoor Plants Watering Can. This watering can is large enough to hold enough water for most watering jobs, but it's not so large that it's heavy and difficult to carry. The Cado watering can is made of durable plastic that can withstand regular use. The watering rose is removable, which makes it easy to clean and also allows you to use the watering can without it for watering larger plants. The handle is designed to be comfortable to hold, even when the watering can is full. Number 5. NERUB Outdoor Plants Watering Can. The NERUB Outdoor Plants Watering Can is not just a gardening tool. It's a beautiful addition to your garden. With its sleek and attractive design, it blends seamlessly with your outdoor space, making your garden even more inviting. One of the standout features of this watering can is its upgraded shower head. It allows you to water your plants with precision, whether you prefer a gentle spout or a rain shower effect. It's an essential garden helper that ensures you have a comfortable grip. Number 6. Novelty MFG 30301 Outdoor Watering Can. It's made from sturdy plastic, so it's durable and will last for years to come. It has a classic design with a flower indentation on the side, which adds a nice touch of detail. It's lightweight and easy to carry, even when it's full of water. It has a long spout, so you can easily reach and water all of your plants, even the ones that are difficult to reach. It has a large capacity of 2 gallons, so you can water all of your plants in one trip. Thanks for watching. Remember, the perfect watering can is out there waiting for you. Just consider your garden size, your watering habits, and maybe even a dash of personal style. Let me know if you have any specific requests for the video. I'm happy to add it.